Okay, so I'm going to erase this so that we can work our problem. So with potassium, we are doing 39 minus 19. Let's do our calculations. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what's our number of neutrons for potassium? 20. All right, let's refer back to our video.
Minus 19, which is the number of protons, gives you 20 neutrons. Next, let's look at 10. 10 has a...
So based off of what we calculated on the board, was our number of neutrons correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
symbol of SN, an atomic number of 50.
Now we're going to
So it
let
has
the video
50
explain
protons.
this one. Pay attention
Next,
because
let's
I'm going
skip
to
over
call
the
someone to the
electrons.
board
It's a
to
zero
work our
charge,
next
so 50
problem.
minus 0 is 50. The mass number 118.71 will be rounded to 119, and then 119 minus 50 is 69, and that's the number of neutrons. And finally, we have fluoride. Fluoride has a symbol fluorine has a symbol F, an atomic number of 9. That means it has 9 protons, has a 0 charge, so the electrons will be 9. It has a mass number of 19 because I round up to 19. And then 19 minus 9 gives you the number of neutrons, which is 10. If you'd like to know more about the periodic table, this playlist will help. And as always, thanks for watching. And Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.
All right. From looking at this video, did this video help you understand more how to calculate your number of protons, neutrons, electrons, and your mass number?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so everybody understand?
Yes.
Do we have anyone who does not understand how to calculate your number of protons, neutrons, electrons, recognize your mass number and your symbol from looking at your element? Anybody? Anyone? All right, so the next step, I am going to put a problem on the board. Give me an element, someone, any element. Look in the back of your book at your periodic table.
I'll teach you. Titanium.
Okay, so you want to go with, what are we going with?
Cobalt.
Okay.
Titanium.
Who would like to come to the board and work the problem for me? All right, Mr. Tenor. That's fine. Okay, you have your book.
Alright, so the symbol is always going to be the letter under the atomic number.
Mm-hmm.
The atomic number is always going to be the number under the number over the symbol.
Mm-hmm.
Proton is always the same as the atomic number.
All right, thank you, Mr. Tenor. And how do we get our number of neutrons, Mr. Tenor? What is our first step?
You round your mass number.
Round your mass number. Good. So what is your mass number?
16.
16. So what is our next step?
Subtract 8 from 16.
Uh-huh. Why are you subtracting 8 from 16?
Because 8, you subtract 8 from 16, it'll get your neutrons.
That's how we get our number of neutrons. So 16 minus 8 gives us
8.
8. So our number of neutrons is
8.
all right.
And electrons has
It is understood that
electrons has a neither charge
mm-hmm.
and subtract 0 from 8
Mm-hmm.
and you get 8 and the mass number is 16.
All right. So looking at this calculation, is Mr. Tenor correct, everybody?
Yes.
Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Mr. Tenor is correct. Great job, Mr. Tenor. Y'all tell Mr. Tenor, great job. Great job. You worked the problem correctly. Does everyone understand? Does everyone understand? Great job, Mr. Tenor. All right, for the next few minutes you have left, I'm going to put another element on the board. And I need you all for your exit. This is your exit ticket. This is your exit ticket. We are going to use neon. All right, so for the next few minutes we have left before it's time to go, this is your exit ticket. I need you to work this problem. Do anybody have any questions? Does everybody understand? If you have any questions, if you need any help, raise your hand and let me know. This is your exit ticket. While we are going over our exit ticket. An atom includes 3 things. What are those 3 things?
Protons, neutrons, and electrons.
Protons, neutrons, and electrons. Good. Our elements are found on the what? The periodic table. Remember, the periodic table consists of the number of protons, which is also your atomic number, your symbol, the element name, and the mass number. Great job today, class. You all were very attentive. You all participated well. Remember to go home and look over your notes, look over your vocabulary words from the beginning of the week. All right, before you leave, I need each one of you to pass your papers to me on the outside of the door. Remember, do not just jump up. I will dismiss you. When you get ready to leave, make sure you go row by row so that we can ensure we stay 6 feet apart. Pass me your papers once you leave out the door. And everyone have a great rest of the day.